Welcome back. Let's look at what we've done today. So we started with small businesses, where we spoke about what is a small business. Then we looked at budgets, and we ended up with the income and expenditure statements. The words we learned was profit, the positive amount left after subtracting expenses from income. For example, I sold my tablet for 400 Rand more than what I bought it for. I made a profit of 400 Rand. Loss, the negative amount left after subtracting expenses from income. For example, I could only sell half of my oranges, and therefore I made a loss of 50 Rand. A projected budget, a plan, remember that is important, a plan to show how much money a small business will earn and how much they will need to spend on expenses in the future based on current information. For example, I used the number of sales in March to plan for April. Then, an income statement, a financial report detailing a business income and expenses over a period of time. For example, the income statement shows that we spent 500 Rand on stationery during this month. Now, what do we need to look out for? What common errors do we make? Number one, we must not confuse profit with income. Remember, not all income is profit. Profit is only what is left after you deducted your expenses. So the hint there would be to know the definitions of the concept. Another error, confusing a budget statement with an income and expenditure statement. What is the hint there? The budget is how you plan to spend and receive, and the income and expenditure statement is the actual spending. So with a budget you plan, and the is what happened, the expenditure statement. Make sure you substitute correctly into any formula given. And then let's look at a challenge. Lindiwe is a nail technician and works on Tuesdays to Saturdays. She needs to cover overheads of 7,000 Rand per month. If she charges a client 320 Rand per set of nails, how many clients should she book per day to ensure a profit at the end of the month of 3,000 Rand? Let's look at the question again. So she's doing nails. She works from Tuesdays to Saturdays. She charges clients 320 Rand per set of nails, and she wants to make the profit of 3,000 Rand. So first we need to look at income and expenses. And that wraps it all up. See you soon. Goodbye.